Hi guys, today is April 14, 2022. It's 6:53 p.m. Philippine time. So start na agad tayo. First, start off with some of my personal trades for today. Currently BTC, which is actually at a loss now. I opened it at around I think the previous day I close it at 40,000. I adjust my stop loss from entry price of around 39,672. And then I reopen today at I think 41,200, and it's currently doing at already 40,000. My stop loss here is cuz I look at it after the close today, and I thought it will go higher. However, it's not what I'm expecting it to be. My stop loss here is around 39,000 and my TP around $48,000. So anyway, let's see. So it's still open at the moment. And the next one is Ape coin. Actually, I have a series of trades here. After my stream yesterday, I actually opened it after here, uh, around 12:15, and then I tipped at this area, because I think there is a possible bearish divergence here. After that, what's this bear candle, and then I reopen around here, and then since this one is, I think this is around three or something, yeah, around three, or yeah, it's already in the afternoon. This one. And since this candle is, I think there's some selling pressure that's happening already. That's why I sell it at just 5 cents from my entry price here. And then, yeah, I think that's it. I think two trades. But yeah, I actually watch it. Um, and this is, I think, most of the day. This is the one that I watch, and then after that, I think this is around afternoon. I watch KNC. So this is what had happened. I actually um, buy it or long it after that breakout on this consolidation area. So before that doji area. So I entered around 396, and my TP is at 440, which is around this area, 440, which is here. And then it even went higher the end. Yeah, I think that's the new all-time high. So anyway, so it's already a close position. Ape is also a close position. So, and then the last one is ZIL. Oh, ZIL. Where is it? ZIL. Yeah, here. Oh, I think it should have been blue. Yeah, and the BTC is down actually, that losing. So anyway, I actually entered after this. I think I just entered just before I stream. So yeah, it's more or less around 11 cents before this one. So yeah. So anyway, let's see. I'm actually looking at it at around 13 cents, and stop loss around this area, around uh, 10 cents. So anyway, let's see. So yung open pa rin si BTC and tsaka si ZIL. But for BTC, I might plan to actually, what's that? I might possibly just close it. Yeah, it's actually, um, sabi ko na nga ba, hindi ko na iti-treat si BTC. Anyway, yeah, because, yeah, I did compare the first trade that I have for the year versus the altcoins, and yeah, altcoins is actually performing better. So yeah, anyway, so I'll just wait possibly. Anyway, it's already calculated gain or loss or possible loss. So yeah, I'll just wait if ever it hit my TP or my stop loss. But if ever it went above higher than my entry price around 41,200, I might possibly adjust my stop loss, and then yeah, I think I'll just focus more on altcoins. So yun lang. So for today, congrats to those um, who have gains, who have gains or closed their positions already at at a gain. So for those who are losing, actually losses are part of trades. So I hope you will continue, or should I say, should magkaroon naman kayo ng sustainable profits over the next couple of uh, over the long term, syempre. So anyway, let's next is oh, BTC, and then the other one. Yeah, I think I'll just want to share this one. The biggest one that I have is this one, KNC. I think ZIL is also more or less close to 100. I mean to 1,000 ROE. Dati kasi hindi talaga ako nagsi-show. And yeah, I just want to, ano, this is actually 101. This is 20 times, I think the maximum of this is 20 times leverage. BTC is 101 leverage, 101 times. KNC is 101 times, and also ZIL is 101 times. So for what's for KNC, si KNC lang. Kasi it's went as high as na-close ko siya, no? At actually may average price pala is 3.3999. So yeah, kasi ang TP ko is at 4.40, kaso na-done siya before 4.40. So siguro medyo bumaba siya ng konti nung na, na na-trigger yung take profit ko. So anyway, okay na din yan. So that's the ROE. That's just for about more than 1 hour, no? Kasi 2:26 p.m. tapos 3:32. So more than 1 hour and more or less 6 minutes, no? O, diba? So anyway, what else? So let's start off first with this one, BTC. I think I'll just use this one, the perpetual chart, because yeah, I think more or less they are the same. So yeah, that's actually more or less the developing point of control. That's actually my entry price today, and yeah, because I'm expecting it to move higher over the next couple of days to hit possibly the 48,000. I think more than 48,000 to retest this trend resistance. So more or less, it depends where it try to retest this ones. So I think on conservative note, we'll just use more than $48,000. And the support I'm looking at is the $39,000. So I hope it stay within this trend. Else, because if it break down from the 39,200, possibly we might see more or less close to 38,000, which is um, the point of control more or less also year to date. So anyway, and of course, worst case is to retest at that 28. Yeah, maybe, or we'll just use the 33,000 first before the 28. So anyway, let's see. So I hope it stay within this trend, and yeah, maintain its uptrend. So anyway, So I think that is all for BTC. I have nothing much to comment for now. What else? Yeah, it holds at this. So basically, might hold, but I want to look for more positive or bullish candles from here. As long as it will just pull back a bit, yeah, I think it's just fine with me. So anyway, let's see. Yeah, I have actually a long position here, which I open at developing point of control, which is 41,200, stop loss at 39,000, and TP at 48. So anyway, let's see how it goes. Actually, I do plan to adjust my stop loss after it's went higher a bit, possibly just $100 from my entry price. So anyway, let's see how the BTC goes over the next couple of days. So next, what else? Oh, kahit na inano natin. Yeah. Um, I actually, wait. Let's try to, yeah. If we unhide that session volume, yeah, that's one kasi medyo ano siya, no? Hindi siya masyadong makita yung chart. But I actually changed it to white para at least nakikita yung possible. Oh, there are actually, I think there is, ano, no? So it seems that there is also, ano, a few, ano lang, because the remaining ones, they are actually none. So medyo limited din lang pala si session volume. It's not all the, ano, it's not all the candles. But anyway, so yeah, let's see. Wala na akong masabi sa BTC for now. I think still stays the same at the moment. So depending on how you plan to trade it, and then it's up to you. But for me, normally I do trade on a swing trade, and at the same time I'm a holder, altcoiner, mostly altcoins. So next, or we need to maybe let's try to look at ETH. I have not seen it over a couple of days now. Parang hindi natin siya nakita for quite some time. So I'll just use the perpetual one. So I think there's no. So anyway, let's try to check on this. Hmm. Do I have positions here? No, none. So more or less, almost close din sa ano, no? Almost almost same with BTC chart, no? And there is a doji over there at resistance. So kapag nakakita ka ng doji at resistance, it might possibly be a reversal. So anyway, let's see how this and then we'll try to use this as immediate support area, which is the previous support area natin, which is around $3,000. 3,000. However, it may possibly go down if it break this 3,000 to possibly around this area, which is more or less around 27 area. So anyway, 27, oh 28. Sorry, around 28. And the resistance I'm looking at on conservative note, let's use this one, which is the around 3.5 to 3.6. So which is the previous highs here. And then yeah, that's the possible two options in it. So yeah, hopefully it will hold it within this area. Else, break down to that back to 2.5. So well, I hope that it will hold within this area. So possibly on that next. So yeah, the next possible scenario is this one and possibly that one. So depende on. So anyway, let's see how it goes. So far, actually, I'm looking at around 4,000 as the next possible, ano? So more or less, that's around this area, which is also the big horizontal or visible range here. So I think I'd rather choose that, no? Anyway, let's see. It will be dependent on where this trend will go, no? So there. So for now, hmm, I think it seems to pull back a bit, and retest might be coming to around 2,900 or 3,000. 3,000, sorry. So close to 3,000. So immediate resistance at 3,100. Breakout to that will be a retest to 3,600. However, if it will not hold at 3,000 area, possibly retest 2,800 level. So anyway, let's see. We still have 12 hours and 50 minutes before the daily candle will close. Let's just check on the hourly time frame. Hmm. It seems it might. It's already at or below the bullish divergence, bullish or regular or hidden bullish divergence. So yeah, let's see if it holds. However, it might seem like I'll try to plot this one. It's actually a breakdown, no? It's actually a breakdown, so might possibly retest this to 9, in my opinion. So anyway, let's see how it goes. So how about the other indicators over there? Oh, it's actually a golden cross on 1 hour time frame. So anyway, I cannot comment much on ETH. I actually don't trade it at the moment. So anyway, if I'm gonna trade it, I might possibly wait until tomorrow because it might possibly pull back to 3,000 in my opinion. So I think I'll just buy on a pullback or at least here at 2,800 if ever it will go to this area. Maybe I can set an alert here and possibly an alert over here. Or yeah, if I'll try to trade it on on a day, or a swing trade, I may possibly use the this one, which at the moment is doing below this developing point of control. So I might possibly wait a bit before I make any transactions. Cause and then I'm gonna use this one as 3,047 as another alert. So both alert within the immediate resistance using the session volume if I'm gonna trade it on a swing trade or scalp trade, and if it break down below this 3,051, I might possibly go short if uh, if it's still rewarding. Hmm. What is still rewarding? So this is just there. So might possibly go short. However, it might not possibly be rewarding on my part. So I'll just possibly wait for a better entry price. Either I'll wait here or here, no, before I'll do any transaction. However, if it break out within this area, then I might possibly use this uh, previous re- previous support as my stop loss. So there. So either way, so for here within this area, might possibly a waiting area for me. But if it breaks that 3,100, I might possibly go long, and then possible target around that 3,600, and more or less the stop loss around 3,000 area. So anyway, I think that's it for ATH. And ano ba bang pwede natin tignan? Let's possibly look at what's trending. Oh, near. Oh, what happened to near? What happened to near? Yeah, I almost forgot near. It's already 17. What's it? 17 something. So it's one of the trending coins at the moment. Yeah, I'll actually just, so tinignan ko lang siya a few. But yeah, maybe let's just remove it a bit and just that. Just these candles. So anyway, oh, the point of control is 16.25. So supposedly I already go long yesterday, ano? Because it went above that area. So I'm expecting a possible triple top or attempted triple top. Because this one, no, yeah, this is actually a second attempt for it to retest at the previous high. Possibly this is the possible third. I mean, this one is the first attempt pala. This is the second attempt. So anyway, let's see if it succeed uh, here. So just a question mark. So the point of control I'm looking at, or the immediate support, is I'm gonna use at that 16.25. So let's put it over there. So that's the immediate support I'm looking at. And then the TP is, of course, the all-time high, or maybe close to all-time high. I think I'd rather use this one on conservative notes. So if ever at this point, hmm, what's the, yeah, it's trending higher. So at this, oh, let's try to look at the session. It's still doing above the session volume of around 17.16. So as long as it trade above that, I think retest to all-time high is most likely. So, however, I did not trade it today, but if ever I'll trade this, I should have had open a possible long after it hits that 17.16 developing point of control. Immediate target around the 19 before the, what's that? Before the all-time high of 20 plus dollars, 20.63. However, since it did not reach my possible my risk reward ratio of at least 3, might not possibly trade this, no? Kasi this is just 2.51. Well, anyway, but yeah, of course, its risk reward ratio is a subjective one, so you can set your own risk reward. If that 2 point something risk reward is okay with you, then you can also trade such transactions. So, ano pa ba? What? No voice? No voice? Still no voice? Meron namang ano? Hmm. Sira na naman tong ano ko. Maybe let's check. Let me check. Oh, maybe on my phone. No? No voice daw eh. Wait, let me check on my phone if there is or none. So anyway, sorry wala daw voice eh. And let me check. Ha? Wala pa rin bang voice? Ang kulit lang eh. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita eh. Ano, ilang minutes na ba? It's already almost 30 minutes na oh. Tapos wala pa lang ano, walang sounds. Oy, I hear you now. I hear you daw eh. Baka kanina, nung nag-start pa lang. Anyway, thanks ha. Thanks. Okay, thanks. Di ko na kailangan i-check pa sa phone. Kala ko kasi walang voice eh. Anyway, let's move na. I don't know if you heard that a while ago, no? I have voice here. I have voice here. Okay. Thank you for ano, confirming. Pero check ko nga din kung maririnig ko yung sarili ko dito. Oh, wait. So, wala, pinapakinggan ko. Ay, ano ata. Wala ata. Meron naman. Oh, yeah. Parang ano, medyo delayed pala siya sa ano, no? Medyo delayed siya. So, anyway, nasan na ba ako kanina? Naka-near ako kanina eh. I think near. Where is near? Near. So, I think yung nung my last trade here is I think this one. Oh. When it reached the 19.79. But yeah, I use a market trailing stop of negative 132 because I have a long position during that time. So, 18.47 na stop out ako kasi nga bumaba siya. So, yeah, I think I open around less 1.98 from 18.47. So, yun yung opening price ko. Pag tine-trade ko, more or less na ano ko din, naalala ko, is 16.49. Hindi ko naalala yung exact, pero ano. So, what else? Sabi niya, si XBG. Uy, ano bang nangyari dyan? Let's just check on it. Si Birch. Meron ako dati nito. I don't know if it's still on my Binance account. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken sa Binance yun eh. Let me check. Medyo madami din kasi akong exchanges eh. Anyway. So, let me just check. Wala naman masyado. Wala masyadong. Titignan ko lang yung volume. Wala masyado. Anyway, let's try to check on that chart. XBG USD. So, maybe let's try to use. Ano bang pinakamalaki na itong market? So, halos sa Binance naman yun. Wait. Dati pala no. I don't know. May nagtanong ata dati. No? So, isa sa mga disadvantage din ng hindi nag-a-adjust. No? So, dapat naka-ano ka ulit. Naka-entry ka. Pero, syempre, depende kasi sa atin kung mag-a-adjust tayo or not. Anyway. So, this is the previous one. Let's just make it a bit clearer. So, anyway, di ko alam kung ano yung intention nyo, does it have... wala. So, it's more on ano pala. Spot pala to. So, it's more... sorry. Where is it? There. So, it's much more of a long term pala to. No? So, ano nang nangyari sa kanya? Ba't ang ano pala niya dati? 31. Parang ano pala to, no? Zero. Ang dami pa ng 0.006. Sorry. So, currently, it's wait lang yun na pala yun. Yeah, let me just check a bit of yung ano na. What's this? 1 year and year to date na point of control. So, more or less 0.25 and year to date 0.013. So it's currently at, okay. So nag-recess siya at year to date, ano? Nag-recess siya sa year to date na ano, um, a visible range. Anyway. So balik na tayo sa all chart. Tinignan ko lang. Dito kasi nag-recess siya doon. So this is the year to date point of control din. So gagamitin natin yan as immediate resistance. So immediate support at medyo malapit na lang din, no? This one, no? Value area, meron na akong value area. Parang low din siya, low and high. So, yan. Ang tinitignan ko, 0.008. Ang daming ano eh. So, hanggang 3, ano lang tayo. Hanggang 3 decimal places lang siguro. Ang daming masyado yun. So, anyway, check ko lang Possible, baka possible na siya. Possible siyang doji, oh. Pero hindi pa kasi siya tapos eh. So, kapag nag-doji yan, baka mag-ano pa siya. Baka mag-pullback pa siya a bit. No? So, given this, year-to-date, this is a year-to-date, what's this? Point of control. Which is year-to-date, POC. So, yun. Which is also, nag-recess siya doon, no? Nag-recess siya. Pero, sa tingin ko, it's much, I think, much better dito, no? Kasi weak na din siya, oh. Para at least, ito mga ano siya, konti. And hindi siya ganun kalaki, in my opinion. So, check natin. Yun din. Mag-ano din siya. So, on conservative note, para sa akin, mag-wait muna ako. Kasi possible siyang mag-resist dito. So, isa-set ko yan ng alert. Isa-set ko na ng alert. So, antayin ako ng breakout doon. Breakout dito. Ano pa? Kasi on horizontal naman, next. Okay. Pwede pala dito. Pwede din pala dito. On horizontal. Kasi nag-hold siya dito eh. So, gagamitin natin din to as our support area. Siyempre, titignan ko pang visible range. Visible range. Visible. Yeah, visible volume pala. Si visible range end dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, kung i-day trade ko to antayin ko pa sa 0.010. 0.01. Which is itong developing point of control. Kapag nag-ano siya doon, lumagpas siya doon, or nag-breakout siya doon sa developing point of control, I might possibly go long. Diba? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, these previous ones, yung developing point of control niya or point of control niya on a daily is umaakyat naman siya. So, eto nga lang, yung current kasi is aantayin ko siya na umakyat at least doon sa current developing point of control. So, more or less, pangatlo na siya. 1, 2, 3. So, yun. Kung trade ko siya, check ko lang I think medyo profitable naman siya, if ever. May hit niya ba? More or less. At least 3. 3 din naman. Pero syempre, depende sa intention ninyo, di ba? Kasi previously, nag-resist na siya dito sa 0.015 eh. So, syempre, yan ang gagamitin kong immediate resistance. And then, the support or stop loss is the 0.009. However, on a personal trade, kung sakali, at least, i-trade ko siya above 0.01. No? Pero 0.01 din pala siya ngayon. I mean, 0.0107. Ang dami kasing, Ang dami kasing ano ba 'to, decimal places. Pero at least, above the developing point of control, which is eto yung white sa today. Pero kung mapapansin niyo, nag-a-uptrend naman na din siya, eh, 'di ba? Uptrend na din siya. So, possibly eto na yung possible low nito, 'di ba? So, there. So, chine-check kasi minsan check mo din yung trend ng ano, eh, ng session volume, eh. So, dito pinaka-low niya, and then mapapansin mo umakyat na siya. So, yeah, antayin ko lang para at least may confirmation, ano. Antayin ko lang siya to trade above that, or this current developing point of control. Once it hit above it or close above it on a daily time frame, I might possibly go buy ano, hindi go long. Kasi wala ata siyang ano. Pero kung may future siya, I might possibly go long above that. Ganun kasi ako mag-trade, eh. Pero kung long term talaga, kung long din, buy and hold lang ako. Like for example, ZIL, I'm actually staking ZIL. ZIL dot, ano pa ba? Quantum, ano pa ba? Yung mga yun. Mostly coins ang inano ko. So, yun. So, I think yun lang muna. Immediate, and possibly makakita mo it's 0.023. So, yun ang gagamitin natin as next resistance. Ginagamit ko na ngayon yung si visible range. Though, syempre, kung magiging conservative ka, then possibly dito mas mababa. Pero mas madami kasing naging transaction dito. So, mas mahirap siyang um, i-break, or I mean mas stronger na resistance. Di ba? Mas mahirap din talaga i-break. Ang kulit lang. Then, possibly next that is, syempre dito na siya. So, anyway, medyo malami, no? Pero kung titignan mo na long term note, siguro naman kasi most of the transactions happen at 0.0066. Sa tingin ko kung i-long term mo siya, if you gonna hold it for a long term, yeah, I think at this point it's already time to accumulate, no? Yeah, depending on your plans. Kasi kapag short term lang talaga, yun lang tayo sa immediate support and resistance, di ba? Which is 0.015 here, which is the year-to-date point of control, and then support at 0.0095. Yeah, however, I'm gonna at least wait a bit to trade it above today's developing point of control bago ako mag-trade. Oh, anyway, let's try to look at the 1 hour's time frame if there is any masyadong ano ba yun? Ito bang chart na ito? Parang hirap intindihin, na. But anyway, actually there is already a bullish divergence over here. So, I think we'll use this as support, no? 'Di ba? Meron siyang bullish divergence over there. So, there you go. So, yeah, pwede na din, no? Wait, punta natin sa 1 day. No, since may bullish divergence there on 1 hour time frame. So, yeah. So, support. Mineasure na natin kanina, no? So, I think it's personally, since it met my risk-reward ratio and there's a bullish divergence in 1 hour time frame, I'll just wait a bit to trade above this developing point of control before I'm gonna buy it. Immediate target around 0.015 on a short-term note, but if ever I'm gonna plan to hold it over a long period of time, or hold it, possibly, I think the immediate target I'll be looking at is at least this one, 0.037, no? Kasi dito medyo matagal siya, eh. But after this a bit a long consolidation, which is around this area, posible nga dito or even here, no? So it depends on your plans. So yun lang, short term and long term. Tapos na. Done. Or track. What should I do? Whoa. Um, XBG done. XBG done. Track. What's track? TRAC. I don't know this. Sorry, sorry. Yeah. Hindi ko kasi, origin trail. Okay. So let me just check it a bit. Let's check the historical data. So its current volume, was it, 1 million? 1 million lang ba yun? $1 million? No? Yeah, 1.7 million dollars. So hindi pala siya ganun kalaki, no? 1,000. Yeah, no? 6 eh. Medyo maliit yung volume niya. Si truck. So let me just check. What's the market, the biggest one? So more or less si Coinbase. So let's choose Coinbase then. Here. Oh, anong nangyari sa kanya? What happened to it? From, it went high as 6.24 and went low as 0.35 cents. What happened? I don't know what happened. But anyway, parang na-half ba? I think for BTC, it's, yeah, more or less ganun. Pero, I think this one is, yeah, kasi yung first day kasi usually, very volatile yun. Diba? Yung, kaya minsan magandang mag-sell sa first day, no? Lalo na kapag talagang nag-shoot up, ano? Ang kulit lang yan. So, anyway. So, for here, let's use the 35 cents as support area. Let me just check on the all-time high and the all-time low here. All-time high at 387, no? So, we'll just use 387. And, however, all-time low is, what's this? 0.003. Wala pang, ayun, dami. Daming cents. So, anyway, but Coinbase yung ano eh, 2 years ago. So, wait, let me just check it here. This is less than 2 years eh. So, I don't know which chart have original listed it on 2 years. So, maybe let's try to use this one. Two years pa to. Yeah, I think it's better to use this one. So, more or less, eto nga. More or less, eto nga. So, let's just use this one. And then, let's just compare it a bit with the Coinbase, no? Oh, let me just hide it. And then, yeah, let's try to. So, yeah, the point of control din dun is around 35 cents, no? So, this is just more or less the same din sila. So, that's the support I'm looking at. Medyo ano siya dito eh. Hindi. 35 cents kasi sa ano, no? Si Coinbase, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi kulang siya ng value, which is more or less dito sa mababa, yung consolidation area. So, anyway, karoon siya ng bullish divergence over there. So, yeah, we'll just use this as a strong support. This 35 cents or 36 cents. So, check ko lang kung merong wala. But this is engulfing. So, anyway. Yeah, medyo ano ako dito. Nasa gitna kasi siya eh. Nasa gitna, it's for me, it's just like consolidation here eh. and then breakdown, previous highs. So I'm gonna possibly use that. Kaso on the verge of, wait lang check ko yung, ito. So well, possibly, kasi pointing ano din, no? Pointing downwards din siya, no? Makita to nga ito niya. So, kita mo, pwede pa, no? Kung sakaling magtuloy-tuloy yan, kung hindi siya mag-hold eh. Kasi tignan mo yung ano niya, diba? Pointing lower da. It's pointing lower. So, anyway. So, and, diba, after consolidation, nag-ano siya eh. Yeah, for me, I consider that consolidation. Diba? Medyo a bit. Though yun, medyo ano lang siya. Yung wick, I might disregard that wick. Disregard that wick. Ang kulit ko lang yun. Kaya minsan I am disregarding a very significant wick. Diba? So, anyway. So, what else can we possibly look at? And it's also possible, yeah, their EMAs are pointing lower. So, yeah, I think on a conservative note, I'd rather wait it a bit to trade above this 0.065 or at least umakyat siya dito sa consolidation area. Kasi pwede siyang mag-trade within this consolidated area, diba? O bago mag-breakout or break down dito, diba? Eh, currently, it's already nag-breakdown siya. So, of course, yeah, I'll just wait a bit. Baka kasi mamaya, it's magtuloy-tuloy siya. And the support I'm looking at is the 36 cents kung sakali man. So, anyway, I'll wait it a bit for a better entry price. That's my own personal opinion. So, I'll wait it at consolidation or around this 36 cents bago ko gumawa ng next possible action pa. Kasi that, yeah. And I'll possibly use this as, wait, where is it? Yeah, let's try to do that 1 year. Alright, there. So we'll use that as our, which is, I think, just fine. So we'll use that as our next resistance area, so 1.08. But I think it might, yeah, kasi nag-breakdown siya on this console. So, yeah, I'll wait it for a better price. Either sa, kung magtuloy-tuloy siya, at least bumalik siya within this consolidated area. So, that's more or less, I'm looking at around 63 cents. At least above 63 cents. Wait, check natin yung session volume. Sorry. What's that? Oh, tignan mo yung even the session volume ng previously. Oh. Pababa kasi. Saan yung session volume niya dito? Medyo mababa kasi nga bumagsak siya. But yeah, it's still doing better na. Kasi it's the first. I'll possibly wait for another two. Or yeah, on conservative note, I'll just wait at 64 cents. 64 cents and possibly TP around this area kung talagang short, very short trade. So 78 cents and then stop loss at this 60 cents, diba? Pero entry price at 63 cents. Above 63 cents at least. So, yun. Pero kapag medyo long term siguro, I think I'll still wait it a bit. And then, yun nga lang is, syempre, yung TP ko is might possibly change. So, I think I can wait at least at the 1.67. No? Kasi dito medyo matagal siya, oh. And, yeah, normally kasi consolidation matagal bago siya mag-ano. So, yeah, possibly. Let's try to check. Kasi yan yung immediate kong ano, tinitignan. More or less, at least that area. Di ba? And then before that, 3.47 area on a long-term note. But yeah, of course, I think on it, yeah, as much as possible, yeah, sa ngayon kasi, if you look at the volume, kaya tinignan ko kanina, di ba? It's not that much, ano, wala pang masyadong, um, wala pang masyadong volume, no? And it's, I think, getting lower and lower, ano? So, I think I'd rather wait it a bit, siguro. Kasi tignan mo, I think the previous one na talagang nag-move is si ZIL, ano? Si ZIL, sino pa ba? I think si ZIL lang naalala ko. And then si Moonbeam. So, yeah, if I'm gonna long for something, there should be really supported with a good volume. So, anyway, that's just my own personal trade, if ever. So, there. And then, next one. Wow, ang dami naman. Done. Uy, si Shiba, nabuhay si Shiba. Well, actually, I'm looking at Shiba. The previous day, I actually traded when before ano, because I after the stream, if I'm not mistaken, I'm actually watching it, watching on an early time frame, and I'm just so lucky that yeah, I remember the point of control, which is the 2741, and before that, before it reached that 2741, I already see the movement, no, on that. So I actually go long around 27 something. I think before 27, and then TP at 2971, if I my memory is right. But I think it seems like it. Seems like it. Yeah, that's what's that's what I actually recall. But I think it will just pull back a bit before it retest at that 29 or close to 3,000 Satoshi, which is the previous high when it when Robinhood listed it. So eto dito ako nakapag-trade eh. I think hindi ko alam kung anong oras ito, but yeah, I think 8 around 8 or 9 p.m. Philippine time. O, di ba? Naalala ko kasi pag nagwa-watch ako eh. O, di ba? Yeah, 8 eh. I think 21 is 9, no? 20 is 8. So, more or less around, yeah, 8 or 9. So, nag-out din ako kaagad kasi masyadong mabilis. If you look at the volume also, di ba? Dito siya nag-pick up. So, yan. So, and I think during that time, we're already seeing a possible bullish divergence, ano? Yun nga lang kasi, if you recall, I'm really waiting for that 2741 Satoshi point of control as my possible entry point. So, yun. And then, and then, and then luckily lang. Yeah, luckily I'll just watch it. Yeah, because sometimes I really watch the market if there's a really a movement, no? But anyway, let's try to use it, try to check on it now. Because actually today, this is a doji. I mean yesterday, because today is still trading. So this is actually a doji. So which is a possible neutral doji, was it? Yeah, doji. So see. So if today's candle will close below this doji, I might possibly expect it to retest this previous support, which is around the 2000 was it? Yeah, 2200 Satoshi. However, if it ends higher than this, expect 3.5, no? A retest to that 3000 to possibly 3.5 if I'm not mistaken. Diba? So, next target natin, possibly 3.5. But of course, I'm looking for a breakout dito sa previous, no? When Robinhood listed it around 3,000 or close to 3,000, which is 2,995. Yeah. So anyway, let's see. But eventually, yeah, I think I buy some Shiba a few. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I buy spot of Shiba. So, but because I'm expecting it to really retest the previous high. Actually, my target here is around 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 Satoshi. But anyway, on conservative note, I think I'll just use at that. On short-term trades, maybe I'll just use the 1 hour. So, nakadepende na. Yeah, today I did not actually trade this. But yeah, anyway, let's try to look at it. Na lang. Oh, what's this ba? What did I do with it? I cannot recall why is that there. Yeah. I remember. Okay, the doji. Okay. Sorry. So here, yeah, if you're really watching it, yeah, yes, as I always been saying, there's a doji over there. Oh, let me just delete this. But that's a doji on a 1 day time frame, or yesterday. So I'm gonna use that as a possible support area on a 1 hour time frame. So that's the doji. Actually, I can even so hard to. But there's already as you can see, there is a bullish divergence over here. So on conservative notes, so since there's a bullish divergence over here, well, use that as tinuturuan ko talagang magano scalp swing. We'll use that as our support area or possibly stop loss from here. Next target is really this one, the 28229. The immediate target ano. So if I'm gonna trade it, if there's a movement from it, possibly that. Wait, o diba? If it's at least 5, then I might possibly trade it. There's a bullish divergence over there. So anyway, which is confirmed by this one, and I did not saw it actually. It's the divergence indicator that indicates it. So yeah. Anyway, let's see. For my for my hold, I'll just wait it that $10,000. Ay, $10,000. 10,000 Satoshi. Sorry. There's a lot of zeros kasi. Ang kulit lang yan. Pero ngayon, yeah, tingnan ko, depende kung may activity. Wait, check natin yung volume. Kasi last time kasi talagang nag-pick up yung volume niya, no? So, yeah, medyo nagkakaroon siya ng activity. So, yeah, I think after kasi ng listing ng medyo mabilis kasi after listing. So, it really needs to correct a bit, and then, yeah, I think it will continue to move higher from there. That's just my own personal opinion. So, anyway, let's see if this hidden bullish divergence will continue. So, next. I actually, wait, let's try to check it a bit. Para din siyang no? Para din siyang pennant, no? Wait, let's check it a bit, no? Pero, syempre, hindi na natin gagamitin yun. Possibly on that area. Pwede din. Or pwede natin gamitin to. No? So, possibly, that medyo mas malaki. Which is might possibly the next target, 3.5, ano? Wait, let's just check. Oh, possibly almost close to that. 3.4 nga lang. Medyo a fall short. Anyway, so, ganun pa din. So, depende. So, ako din nag-aantay din ako. Kasi may hold din ako. Pero sa futures, wala. Hindi ko siya trinade for today. So, anyway, the previous day ata to, no? 2 days. Previous 2 days. Yeah, I think na-mention ko siya before. So, anyways, and currently, what's session volume today? Session volume around 2652. So, it's currently even doing about, was it? Oh, no. The developing point of control is 2652. Just a bit more, no? Yeah, I think I'll just wait it a bit. At least it trade above that 2652 before I'll do my transaction. Yeah, normally I use that or possibly the 2741 if you recall it. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try to check on it if that's still the point of control. Yeah, that's still the point of control since it got listed in this exchange, the futures one, which is the 2741. So, yan dati yung ano ko yung previous 2 days dito. Yan yung ano ko, entry point ko. And then, 2971. Kasi clinose ko na kasi medyo mabilis siya ilang percentage na yun ano lang naman yun perpetual trade i-close ko na, di ba? Okay na yun. So, I think that's it. Unless na lang you really plan it to hold long term. So, I think I could wait at this area or even more pa nga So, anyway, let's see. So, yun na lang masasabi ko. So, hopefully magkaroon na ulit ng um, mag-shine na ulit siya. Kasi during this time, after the breakout here, I actually traded it, the futures one, after the $1,000, 1,000 Satoshi breakout. So, dun ko siya na-start ma-trade So, anyway, so yun lang masabi ko kay Shiba. So, Shiba done. Ay, grabe, ang dami pala. So, ano pa? BSW. Hindi ko trade si BSW, but I heard about it. BSW. Medyo ano din siya I don't know if there's a perpetual here. I just really don't know. Wala. So, it's more on spot pala. So, let's BSW USD. So, more or less, let's just use this. Maliit. Konti lang pala siya. Ayun, no? Possible ano na siya. I don't know if there's a divergence over here. Let's check. Meron na. Medyo ano nga lang. Maliit lang. I think let's try to check on it on 1 hour. No? Yeah, there is. There is over there. So, that means we'll use that as our support area. And there's a doji also on 1 hour time frame. Let's just doji. Hanap lang ng doji. Doji and engulfing. Normally, yun hinahanap ko So, there. And kaso it's quite no. Possibly mag-ano na siya Para siyang ano. At parang BBS something to I don't know, pero eto medyo may significance to Depende sa magiging close nito. If it close bullish, retest coming to this area. Or at least gamitin natin to. Ay, asan to? Yan. So, which is, medyo ginamit ko yung the visible range. And yeah, at least, doon din siya sa body. Cheating. And meron na ding bullish divergence in 1 hour time frame So, we'll use this as our support area sa 98 cents. So, kung i-trade ko siya here, I'm gonna trade it above 1.22, which is the developing point of control. Moving pa kasi yan kasi we still have 12 hours before the daily candle will close. So, if I'm just gonna use it. Image it. Well, kulit ko lang Yeah, though there is depending on your plan, but yeah, personally for me, there is a bullish divergence in 1 hour time frame. So the 98 cents is already a good support area. However, the The resistance I'm looking at is on the daily. So more or less the 1.68. And if I go long, or if I buy it at 1.23, the risk reward is just 1.78. And yeah, I think I've mentioned that for me, at least a risk reward of at least 3. So if not, then I'll wait for a better entry price, or I will look for a better entry price. But if you really plan to hold it for a long term, like for example, it's fundamentally good coin or good tokens, then I think yeah, possibly wait until it reach the all-time high. So yeah, I'll just yeah, kasi yung ginamit ko is really the immediate, because I really don't I think this is DEX, no? If I'm not mistaken. And this is the centralized exchange. I just, yeah, this is the centralized exchange. Anyway, kasi for me, there's already a lot of decentralized exchanges now. So anyway, there's really a very talagang competition on that, no? In my opinion. So anyway, so if this is good, or if this risk reward ratio is attractive to you, then you could also check on it. So basta personally me, I buy it after 2 days, 1.23 developing point of control, and then immediate take profit at 1.68, because that's where most of the, at least at least medyo malaki, or at least high, or high ba to, or parang nasa medium range, medium range, and then eventually break out to that 1.68, possibly to $2.16. So and actually pwede namang mag TP1, ano, so you can actually make a 2 TPs, no? And then another TP after it hit that. So there's another TP. So it's just that it did not meet my my what's this, risk reward ratio. So there, PSW done. So ano pa? Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Di ko alam kung Dogecoin or Dogecoin ba to. Pero Dogecoin na lang. Ang kulit ko lang. So what happened to Dogecoin? Oh, Shiba, nag-pump din ba siya? Oh, nung nag-pump si Shiba. Oh, hindi ano? I think Shiba pump, kailan siya nag-pump? Yeah, let me just check it. I think 2 days ago no? What's this? 12. So, tignan natin kung sumabay din si Dogecoin nung ano siya, nalis siya. Nalis siya sa Robinhood. So, hindi, 2 days ago, 1, 2. Hindi naman masyado. 12, where's 12? Here. At least, hindi ganun, pero at least nag-hold. Nag-hold at biglang naging support area na niya yun, no? So, what happened here? So, this is, I'm using Coinbase. Possibly there's a divergence over here. Yeah, there is. So, we're gonna use that as our support area. How about this one? So, here. Tan. And, kasi nag-develop siya dito ng new support area, no? So, we're gonna use that as our support area. So, kung i-trade ko siya on a swing trade, pwede siguro to, no? Might possibly, no? Immediate support and immediate resistance. And if I really watch it, I should have go long at above 14 cents. Kasi yun yung developing point of control. Kaso since andito na, syempre yun pa rin ang point of entry ko and possibly this 1. So I might possibly go long. On immediate ano lang or na very short trade, no? Breakout, syempre, tingnan mo na lang yung next possible resistance, which is, I think, this one. This one is the very, yeah, I'll use this visible range, possibly dito, within these areas, no? So, 24 to 25 cents, medyo malakas na resistance area that I'll be looking at. So, after neto, makatuloy-tuloy na lang dyan. So, I think that's it for me. On short term, possibly I'll go long after that developing point of control around 14 cents. Immediate TP at 17.175 cents and um, stop loss around 13 cents. Kasi ano naman siya. So, yun. So, depende kasi kung paano ka, no? And there's a bullish divergence over here. Though, hindi niya hindi na na-capture, but there is a bullish divergence. So, sa 14 cents, no? 14 cents pa to. 11 or 12 cents. O, diba? So, yun lang. So, yeah, I'll normally just use this ones na on my trades. But previously, I also use EMAs, Bollinger Band, ano pa ba. Pero ngayon, mas favorite ko kasi si Visible Range at saka si Session Volume. Especially when it comes to swing trades and scalp trades. Parang maganda kasi siya, especially when it comes to price action, no? Kasi makikita mo talaga yung movement. So anyway, that's it for, what's that? Dogecoin done. Hindi ko alam kung Dogecoin or Dogecoin. Done na lang. Pero Dogecoin, diba sabi nila? I want to analyze a currency that was done. Can you please analyze Solana? Solana. I think I've been trading Solana over. Oh, what happened to it? Where is it? If I'm not mistaken, 105 or ano na. 105, 104 yung tinitignan ko eh. But anyway, let's try to look at it. And yeah. Let's just a bit. Para makinis. So, there's already, this is, medyo matagal din siya, no? Medyo matagal ding downtrend to, eh. And then, saka siya consolidate a bit. Oh, where is that? So, around that $78. Kaso, it break down, no? Breakdown siya dito. Sorry. Advantage. And let's use this. $143. However, nag-develop siya ng dito, ng support area. So, we'll just use that. Kasi, yeah, if nagtuloy-tuloy sana, I'm looking at around close to $200 na supposedly. But then again, it resists at 150. Close to 150. I actually plan to use this one, the point of control around 155. But even before it reached that point of control, it's already reject na agad. So anyway, so let me just check it a bit. So there's a bullish divergence over there. So let's use this. Oh, the 78, no? $78. as a strong support area. So I'll just check on it on 1 hour. So on 1 hour time frame, yeah, okay. There is a bullish divergence over here. So we'll use that $96 as our immediate support area from here. It's already trading around 103. So the immediate support around 96 or 97 area. Break down to that 278 area. So anyway, nag-resist na kasi siya sa sa 106. So, and let's try to use this one. And currently it's, yeah, I need to, it needs to at least trade above this developing point of control around 106 for me to go long or to buy it. Unless na lang you really plan to buy and to accumulate talaga. Yeah. Yeah, also, yeah, after the breakout from the 106 or the resistance, the immediate resistance I'm looking at. So, dun yung possible entry point ko. So, possible entry point ko, if I'm gonna trade this one at more or less 106.4, 4 na lang. So, at least above it. And then, immediate target at that previous resistance. And then, stop loss around 97. But I'll wait it a bit because it's currently trading around 103. Because pag hindi niya kasi na-claim yung yung resistance na 106, baka magtuloy-tuloy siyang i-retest tong $97. So, just watch out for it. A breakdown to that 97, possibly to $78. So, yun. So, I'll just wait it a bit, no? Kasi very important din sa akin. At least, di ba? Kailangan ma-reclaim niya yung yung today's developing point of control. Kasi kung hindi, ibig sabihin, there's a selling pressure that's already building, no? And I think there is already, no? So, kailangan i-reclaim niya yung developing point of control today before I possibly go long. Else, I might possibly wait at $97. So, yun, ganun na lang. Pag hindi siya nag-hold doon, syempre, pag nag-breakdown pa siya sa 97, edi wait ko siya at 78. So, that's my, But, yeah, previously, I think I buy some Solana, and I use it as collateral in my perpetual trade. So, Solana is done. Uy, where is it? Yeah, done. Si Rune. Actually, Rune, I traded previously. Maganda rin yung niya yung sa perpetual. However, yeah, medyo nag-breakdown kasi siya no? Kaya yun. Ayun, no? Diba? Wait. Diba? Breakdown. Anyway, let's just remove it. Yeah, previously I traded it on 1 hour time frame talaga. 1 hour time frame talaga. Wait. Let's try to check first the 1 hour time frame, no? So it's currently trading below the point of control, developing point of control. So, syempre, if I'm gonna trade this one, there might possibly a divergence over there. Yeah, there is a bullish divergence over there. Diba? So, we're gonna use the 7.41 as our support area. So, let's go back to the daily. So, that's it. Okay. So, pag nagbabantay ka, and, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito There's, this one This is already a possible reversal Yeah, I just forgot what is it. Para siyang baby, baby reversal. I just really don't know. Basta parang doji siya na Anyway, and it followed by a very bullish candle, no? So I think it might possibly continue. Possibly continue. So tingnan natin. 10, 10. So parang nag-bottom siya dito. Yung point of control niya dito. So, yeah, dito. So kung binabantayan mo siya dito, supposedly nakapag-entry ka na at least above this area, no? Kung nagbabantay ka. But currently, today, yeah, on conservative note, yeah, depende sa ano mo. Wait lang check natin. Kasi nag-breakdown to So, wait, a bit. Saan na yun? Was this the chart? Ito pa yung chart niya. Oh, ito nga. Kala ko iba. Ang kulit lang. Kasi, nag-ano siya Let me just trend, put some trend. Nag-breakdown kasi siya. And, yeah, siguro yan na lang muna. Yan na lang muna. Ang kulit lang But you can also add some trends here. Diba? Or mas maganda even use this one, no? Pwede rin ganun, diba? Kasi nag-resistance naman niya din. So, on conservative note, I might possibly use this as 12. Possible, no? Kung iano mo lang siya, na trend resistance. So, possibly around 12.69. Pero, syempre, depends on where the candle will possibly retest this trend resistance. So just set an alert on it. And there's a bullish divergence. Check ko lang. But on conservative note, I will possibly go long after it reach or at least it reclaim the 8.95 point of control or developing point of control. Yun ang ano ko. Kasi if not, it might continue to pull back a bit So yeah. So I'll go long after it hit that. Yeah, magsiset na lang ako ng alert or conditional trade that if ever it hit that 8.95, then it will open a position more or less 8.95 or higher, diba? Just set the just set na lang the order, no? So possibly, syempre, on conservative note, we'll use that kasi ito yung kung sakaling magtuloy-tuloy, yun ang possible resistance. And of course, the support area around this one. Diba? So anyway, medyo ano na. So I think that's it. So support at 7.41. Possible resistance close to its previous high na $14. So I'm gonna take profit before that. So sa $12.63. So more or less sa ano niya, sa body, no? However, I'll open a position after it trade above $8.95. So check natin yung 1 hour. Medyo nahihirapan siya at the moment. So, yeah. Mukhang mag-ano na siya. Magko-continue siya, no? Mukhang magko-continue naman siya So, just set an alert on this. I put it as a white. Dati kasi ano to violet siya, diba? Ginawa ko siyang white para at least, yeah, kasi nga yung trend line ko at saka diba white. So, ginawa ko na din siyang white. To show na, or even the horizontal, diba? White din. So, it's just that, ano siya, naka-dash. Hindi siya solid line. Anyway. So, I think that's it na. Did I? Yeah, there is. So, anyway, let's see. So, at saka makikita nyo, it's this one. This is already the possible. Sorry. Possibly nag-bottom na siya. Because the developing point of control is already above this ones. parang consolidate, and then here, parang breakout siya doon. So anyway, let's see if it's the point of control will still go higher. So, yun lang. Yeah, developing point of control medyo nagbabago siya as the data continues to ano, to trickle in. Siyempre, nadadagdagan siya ng data. Kaya siya developing point of control. Normally, when I do trade, I normally use the previous days or, yeah, just the immediate support and resistance. So, siyempre, dyan, previously dyan. And here, di ba? Ganun lang. So, anyway, that's it for Rune. Tapos na, no? Yay. Tapos na. Shib, ma'am, tumaas na. Tumaas na ba? Tumaas na ba? Ay, oo nga. Malapit na to sa 2741. Ang kulit lang. Oh, anyway, ano ba yung last? Ay, ano ba tong ano to? Arabic ba to? Done. Uy. Anyway, meron naman akong hold sa Shiba, konting Shiba. Pero syempre sayang din kapag hindi ko na trade yung perpetual ano. Anyway, let's see. BTC is pumping. Oh. I think BTC it's really trying hard to pump eh. Yeah, I actually have a long position in which I opened around 41,200, which is the point of control a while ago. But yeah, versus the altcoins that I've traded for the day, yeah, it's really underperforming. Yeah, because what I trade for the day is the likes of KNC, which is a very good one, and then APE coin. Yeah, before it went down, I think it's also a very good one, and then ZIL, no, ZIL, and then yeah. The only open now is ZIL and BTC. At least si ZIL, medyo kita pa ako. Dito, lugi na ako. Kasi bumagsak ka. Anyway, let's see how it goes. But I think at least as long as it will not trade below this $39 or this one, I think I'm still safe. But yeah, as I've mentioned before, yeah, when it comes to rewards, yeah, I think I can compare it based on my trades that, yeah, syempre altcoins is performing better based on my own personal trade so far. So far. Ang kulit na. Kaya trinade ko din para at least makompare ko, diba? Para at least masabi ko din kung ano talaga yung, diba? Yung naging result ng personal trades ko. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng, wala. Hindi ko siya i-compare. Kasi same same USD worth of contracts that I opened in BTC versus the US dollar worth I opened in KNC, syempre, makompare mo na lang yung, 'di ba? Yung ano na lang, 'di ba? Mas mura na, mas mataas pa yung ano, change. Ang kulit ko lang yan. Anyway, baka madami mag-comment. Liquid pa rin naman most liquid pa rin naman si BTC. So anyway, it's just that currently I think I'm getting more rewards or gains from altcoins personally. The strongest time frame and safest. Strongest time frame and the safest. Personally I normally use 1 hour, 1 hour for my swing trades and scalp trades. Scalp trade 15 minutes. For swing trades, that's 1 hour for me. But yeah, I seldom use 15 minutes now. So 1 hour and 1 day after normally I'm checking chart 8 past 8 a.m. Philippine time. So din ako nagche-check kasi nagko-close na sila, 'di ba? So that at least I can analyze it a bit kung ano magiging trend for the day. And sometimes I use the weekly, but yeah, not much. Normally daily talaga, and then 1 hour ako. Anyway, so yun lang. So ano pa? Oh, si Shiba nahiya na siya. Nahiya na siya to 2741. Ang kulit lang eh. So yun. So kanina si ZIL, yeah, for today kasi At like for example, dito si KNC, di ba? I think na-share ko yun kanina. Di ba? I think less than no. Yeah, it's more than 1 hour. Pero yan, di ba? 101 times leverage. Comparing it to BTC, lugi pa ako. Lugi pa ako. Ang kulit lang yun. And then si ZIL kanina, I think I opened it around 11 cents eh. And yeah, it's almost close to this. 1 na. Or I think even higher kasi medyo mas mababa yung price niya. So anyway, that's just it. Yeah, hindi na ako masyadong i-share ng ROE ngayon. But yeah, if you really want to, yeah, I can share some. But normally, nakakabisado ko naman yung mga natitrade ko for the day. Especially when I really monitor it for the day for a few hours. Ganun kasi ako pag nag-ano eh. Katulad kanina, yeah, APE coin muna and then BTC muna and then si APE coin. After APE coin, KNC and then after KNC, si ZIL. So, nagbabantay talaga ako ng market movement. So, I think that's it. Yung mga violet, binabantayan ko pero hindi ko siya na-trade for the day. So, nilagyan ko lang yung blue, yung mga na-trade ko so far. So, I think that's it. Ano pa ba? Wala na masyado. Thanks for your help. Yeah, welcome. So, kung wala na kayong tanong, I might possibly end this stream in 1 minute. So, I think done na no, lahat. So, para makapag-trade din tayo. Ewan ko lang kung ang currently binabandayan ko si ZIL kasi meron pa akong open position dyan. Si BTC, may open position pa ako dyan pero parang ang boring bantayan. So, hayaan ko na lang siya. Ang stop loss ko sa 39 and then I open it 41,200 and TP at 48. So, bahala na siya dyan. So, antayin ko na lang siya. May stop out ako at a loss or at a gain. Pero pag umakyat siya at least ng 41,500 something, i-adjust ko na up yung stop loss ko to 41,300. Yan, parang ang ano niya parang nahihirapan talaga si BTC. Ang kulit lang. Hirap na hirap. At saka, yeah, when it comes to percentage gains, makakompare mo talaga yung sa altcoins versus BTC. But anyway, BTC pa rin naman is the most liquid crypto So, anyway, pwede rin naman. It's just that hindi lang siya ganun kalaki based on my expectations. Kasi syempre, yung mga trades ko for the previous days or for the previous month is talagang altcoins na magagalaw, no? I mean, hindi ko alam kung ba't siya magalaw. Siguro nagkakataon lang. Pag nagbabantay ako, ano? Ang kulit lang So, ganun lang. Pero sayang si KNC, ang laki pa ng inakyat niya Halos same pa sana, no? Nag-TP kasi ako sa 4.40. But anyway, ganun na talaga. TP when you're happy with it. So, di mo naman lagi may hit yung highs net. So, yeah, at least profit is a profit already. So, yun lang masasabi ko. Kasi, syempre, we need to control our greediness din. Baka mamaya, sige, akyat tapos nakatulog ka, na-stop out ka pa. Ang kulit lang So, mga ganong experience ba? So, yeah, kung wala na kayong tanong, and I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. What about... di ba natin nakita? I think, nagtanong nga siya. I don't know if there's someone asked about it. Or I just... yeah. So, ano pang nangyari dito? May trap to, no? Check lang natin. Alam ko may DYDX perpetual ko, Grabe, Ano ba nangyayari kay BTC? Hindi man lang siya umakyat-akyat. Ang kulit lang. Akala ko akyat na siya sa Uy. So, what's happening here? DYDX? Anong tanong niya? What about can I have it for 5 USD? Or 4.90? 4.90 daw So more or less para siyang date or ano siya siguro, scalp, scalp trade siya. And possibly let's try to use this one. 1 hour time frame. Oh, possibly. Yeah, I think so, possibly. Because the might possibly hold it. On 1 hour time frame, I'll just check on it. Hmm. It's already seems like at support area. One, dun, dun. So as long as it holds on that, might continue and retest possibly coming around. So we'll just use this one. That one. On conservative mode. So possibly kung if this continues, then I'll just use this one and here. Yeah, possibly 4.98. But on conservative note, I'll use the previous high, diba? Around that area, which is 4.93 possible immediate resistance. And then the support area at this area, which is the 4.71. No? Trade within the range. So, kung i-trade ko siya on, scalp trade or swing trade, then, okay. Pwede rin naman. If it holds, no? And nag-ano naman na din siya. So, anyway, let's see if, what we are expecting will materialize, diba? Kasi pag nag-breakdown to, possibly next support area, dito na siya. Around the 461, no? Pag nag-breakdown siya. So, which is this one. This area, which is the medyo ano din siya, no? That one. So, anyway, let's see how this DYDX goes. But I hope it reached that. Oh, wait. Let's check a bit of EMAs. EMAs nga lang kasi a bit medyo conflicting siya, no? They have the different signals si EMAs at saka si divergence indicator. Let's just check on the volume. At least the volume is picking up. So I think on that note, might possibly bullish engulf and a possible bullish engulfing on forming on 1 hour time frame. So I think on that note might possibly retest that 4.93 at least, no, the conservative target, if ever. The support I'm looking at is at the immediate support 4.71, break down to that the 463. So yun yung tanong niya, no, possibly sa 490 or 5 kasi ang sabi niya eh. So, yeah, 5, it is possible. However, it depends where this candle. So, at least 493 or higher, which is, you can just set an alert on this, no? Kasi pwede siyang mag-set ng alert when it reach that or retest this trend resistance. So, yun. So, previously, ang alert ko lang kanina, no? It's just the KNC. Yeah, because I watch it. And then si ZIL, hindi ko masyadong natingnan. So, anyway, I hope it continues to trend higher, no? So, I think that's it for DYDX. I get liquid at 4.63. What? What do you mean liquidated? Done. Oh, if you're trading futures, as much as possible, if this, what's this? Was it a long? If it's a long, better if you have a zero liquidation, no? try to make a zero liquidation in if in a long position, because if you have a long position and you have a liquidation, I think the position size that you have, regardless of what leverage you use, it means that you're not managing risk well. Oh yeah, it's a long. Yeah, normally for me, it's if I'm opening a long position, it's NA or zero liquidation. So yeah, I think yeah, try to check on how you position, or the position size of your or the position size of your trades, because yeah, I think this is what's this um not a well managed trade. Yeah, yeah, in my opinion, because yeah, normally me, I have zero liquidation, because but when I'm starting as a trader, perpetual trader, yeah, I of course yeah, I also got a lot of liquidations, but yeah, after I realize how to use or how to manage risk well, then yeah, mostly of my trades, or most of my trades, or all of my trades, are zero liquidation or any liquidation if this is a long position. This is different from short, huh? Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I think we can learn from our previous experience. I also, yeah, learn from it. And yeah, I feel, I feel how bad to get liquidated. But yeah, hopefully, and then in your next succeeding trades, yeah, manage risk well. I think that's it. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you again next time. It's already 8:35 p.m. Philippine time. So, share ko na lang si yay! Share ko na yung sa ZIL. Wala na eh. Ano bang nangyari kay BTC pambira? Ang pangit na. Wala akong i-share. Sayang si KNC. Pero, yeah, I'll just wait for pullback kay KNC. Because I already take profit from it. So, I'll just share ZIL for now. So, anyway, ano pa bang pwedeng tignan? So, So I think that's it, and let's get back to trading. It's already 8:35, so I'm gonna end this stream in 1 minute. Pray for me, please. What's that? What's that? The DYDX. It's already at over. What's it? Oh, oversold, and yeah, it's trending higher. So yeah, if this 1 hour will ends as a bullish engulfing, then might possibly continue to trend higher. So anyway, let's see. And you can see the volume over there. It's actually above the average, and it's just 36 minutes. So we still have a few 23 minutes before this close. It's just that, yeah. Anyway, let's see how that DYDX goes. Then maybe I'll just check it out then for you. So what's your liquidation is 463. Yeah, this one, no? I wonder where is the entry price here. Anyway, maybe he entered around here. I don't know. To end bullish engulfing. Or 87 ang profit niya. Okay. So, anyway. So, since wala nang tanong, then I'm gonna end this stream. Bye guys, and happy trading everyone. Disclaimer, trading and investing have risks, so always do your own research and trade cautiously. Enjoy trading for the rest of the day. Bye guys.